How do you sort out the so-called jargon from real-world practices that work? Do the members of your organization find some business or technology advice utterly confusing? Welcome to Real Talk with Sam Holcman. In this program, we set the record straight, and in terms that business people and technology people can understand. Now, here is your host, Sam Holcman.
AD cycle modeling, ADA design charts, Agile anything, ANSI flow charts, AR glasses, Archimate 1.0, Archimate 2.1, Archimate 3.0, Archimate 3.0.1, Archimate 3.1, Archimate 3.2, automatic common sense reasoning engines, automatic decision models, automatic network diagrams, BACOE version 1.0, BACOE version 2.0, BACOE version 3.0, BACOE version 3.1, Bachman database schema mapping diagrams, batch processing scheduling models, BizBoc Guide version 1.0, BizBoc Guide version 3.0, BizBoc Guide version 4.0, BizBoc Guide version 5.0, BizBoc Guide version 6.0, BizBoc Guide version 7.0, BizBoc Guide version 8.0, BizBoc Guide version 9.0, BizBoc Guide version 10.0, BizBoc Guide version 11.0, BizBoc Guide version 12.0, BizBoc Guide version 13.0, BizBoc Guide version 14.0, blockchain for everyday use, Boosh notation, Boolean algebraic networks, BPMN, business process modeling notation, BSA, business systems analysis, capability maps, capability maturity maps, capability maps, dynamic capability maps, operational capability maps, capability maps, strategic capability maps, technology capability maps, CAT translators, cause-effect graphs, Checklin soft systems methodology diagram variants, classic Chen notation, classic code structure plans, classic data mapping diagrams, classic decision trees, classic job scheduling charts, classic object data structure charts, classic project stage diagrams, classic state transition diagrams, classical flowcharts, classical perceptrons, code Jordan object-oriented modeling, COCOMO models, computational tree diagrams, Constantine structure charts, consumer virtual reality headsets, control flow charts, control flow graphs, CPA PERT networks for software, critical path diagrams, data context maps, data dictionary diagrams, data flow table for functional mapping, data store models, data structure diagrams, data structure maps, data structure systems design, decision table notation, decision tables, design metrics visualization graphs, DFRs, data flow refinement models, DSSA, domain-specific software architectures, early neural networks, entity life histories, classical, entity life history diagrams, event response tables, accelerator case tool proprietary notations, expert systems, extended ER, EER classical notations, finite automata state tables, Floyd-Warshall diagrams for path optimization in software, fully autonomous vehicles, function block diagramming, function dependency diagrams, Gantt charts, Google Fiber, Google Glass, GraphSent for sequential logic, Halstead model charts, Hammer semantic data models, heuristic process mapping, hierarchy plus input process output charts, HOOD, hierarchical object-oriented design, hoverboards, IDEF0, IDEF1X, integrated definition for function information modeling, influence diagrams, interactive processing models, interactive design, iterative development, internet-connected appliances, ISA diagrams, information systems architecture, ISAC diagrams, information systems work and analysis of changes, ISDAS diagrams, information system diagrams and optimization systems, ISO flowcharts, Jackson processing structures, Jackson structure programming diagrams, Jackson systems development network diagrams, Jacobson use case approaches, Juicero, knowledgeware case tool proprietary notations, logical data area diagrams, LDP, logical process design, Magic Leap. Manual CRUD matrices, create, read, update, delete. Markov chain process diagrams, matrix diagrams, McCabe's cyclomatic complexity graphs, message sequence charts, metaverse, method 1, minimum viable product, mini specs for DFDs and processes, modular diagrams, modular phones, module dependency graphs, monowheels, Monte Carlo process flow diagrams, Nasse-Schneiderman derivatives, several regional and educational variants, of course, Nasse-Schneiderman diagrams, network software diagrams, object communication diagrams, object-oriented analysis notation, object-oriented design notation, object role modeling, Oracle Designer Case Tool proprietary notations, output input matrix models, Page-Jones structure charts, Page-Jones structure design notation, paper tape flow models, PERT, program evaluation review technique, Petri nets for mainstream IT, PI models, process input entity, PL1 structured diagrams, PRIDE methodology diagrams, program environment diagrams, program structure charts, pseudocard charts, PUML, Putnam Slim models, quality function deployment QFD charts, quasi-decision table models, reinforcement learning of general tasks models, reliability block diagrams for IT processes, requirements design implementation representations, robotic sheep shearers, rule-based models, Rumba object modeling techniques, SADT node trees, SASD structured analysis synthesis design, SCP structured computer planning, SDM70, Schler-Meller OOA OOD, object-oriented analysis design, simulation models using CMSP, simulation models using GPSS, soft systems methodology, software cost estimation models, software requirements engineering methodology, Spectrum 1, state charts, steam machines, Stevens structure charts, STP, structured top-down programming, Stratus, structured analysis design and implementation of systems, structured analysis and design technique, structured English, structured systems analysis and design method, symbolic AI, system consolidation diagrams, system context diagrams, system flow diagrams, system flow plan diagrams, temporal logic diagrams, the standard, 3D printing, 3D TVs, TOGAF 1.0, TOGAF 2, TOGAF 3, TOGAF 4, TOGAF 5, TOGAF 6, TOGAF 7, TOGAF 8, TOGAF 8.1.1, TOGAF 8.2, TOGAF 9, TOGAF 9.1, TOGAF 9.2, TOGAF 10, unbiased statistical decision models, user-centered system interaction charts, visual pseudocode, VR movies, Warny-Aor diagrams, waterfall phases in detail, web application flow models, widespread generalization of large language models, work breakdown structure diagrams, Jordan-DeMarco data flow diagrams, Zune. Approaches and classical structured flowcharts mirrored code so closely that any change necessitated a significant diagram network and change in that network understanding, reducing practical value. The rise of tools marginalized fragmented and proprietary notations. As software shifted from procedural to object orientation, then agile and development methodologies, many earlier modeling techniques lost their relevance. These techniques either failed or are failing due to limitations, lack of stakeholder interest, excessive costs, understandability to the intended audience, or being overtaken by existing or better approaches. Many of these failures stemmed from overly optimistic assumptions about data quality, feasibility, and the complexity in the real world. Today, a high proportion of objects fail not due to poor algorithms, but because of strategic misalignments, unrealistic expectations, or data limitations. Many techniques became cumbersome for large or rapidly evolving programs They were inflexible and could not scale. The classroom academic approach did not scale in the real-world practices. Similar modeling approaches offer historical lessons about the challenges of balancing clarity, abstraction, and maintainability in modeling. These techniques faded due to some combination of inflexibility, lack of support, redundancy, and shift in approaches. Some survive in specific legacy, educational, or specialized domains, but no longer see routine use in most modern projects. These entities blend documented methodologies, historical notations, tool-specific approaches, and diagram variants. Some existed as company-specific or regional standards, with standards, of course, being in quotes. And some overlap with more generalized diagramming types. The common thread is that all were once proposed, taught, or implemented, but are now largely replaced by more understandable and maintainable human-consumable approaches. Not all of these were widely used, but each had distinct modeling ambitions and had been replaced, merged, or marginalized over the decades. What's the key lesson learned? Do not become, open quote, cult, close quote, member or follower. Do not become a cult member or follower. If it does not make sense to you, look elsewhere. Do not revel in complexity. Remember who your stakeholders are. They are the ones that write the checks. Your objective is to bring understanding to something that is complex. And the last thing you want to do is to bring more complexity to something that's already complex. All of these models, techniques, and approaches are a means to an end and not an end in and of itself. Your objective is to enable enterprise and business strategy. One additional observation. If you have acquired something in your architecture activities or systems development activities, and that particular methodology, framework, or tool, or technique has a version number attached to it and certification requirements. Once again, if it has a version number and certification requirements, you will want to make sure that you put your hand firmly over your wallet. What the version number is telling you is that there will be new versions, which will cost you more money. And the previous version will not be current for your certification or use. Please think about that when you are making your initial investment and make the possible assumption that this is all going to cost you more. At the Enterprise Architecture Center of Excellence, EACOE, and the Business Architecture Center of Excellence, BACOE, we do not play to that tune. When you are certified by the EACOE or BACOE, we have a no-fee path available to you to maintain your EACOE or BACOE access and certification. Let me repeat, we have a no-fee path to maintain your EACOE or BAC access or certification. In closing, I began my career in 1972, and what I was doing was processing data. Our group was called Data Processing. What are we doing today? We're processing data. You may have messed with the rest, but now let us help you become the best. Please reach out for a no-cost discussion of your needs. We would be pleased to help you. All copyrights and trademarks acknowledged.